अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान है। आज जुम्मतुल मुबारक है। रमज़ानुल मुबारक की 27वीं तारीख है। इस वक्त सुबह के 8:30 है। अब से कुछ लम्हों बाद आप समाअत फरमाएंगे क़ायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना का कौम के नाम पैगाम।
It will be our constant effort to work for the welfare and well-being of all the communities in Pakistan. And I hope that everyone will be inspired by the idea of public service, and they will be imbued with the spirit of cooperation, and will show their political and civic virtue which go to make a great nation. The creation of the new state has placed a tremendous responsibility on the citizens of Pakistan. It gives them an opportunity to demonstrate to the world how a nation containing many elements can live in peace and amity and work for the betterment of all its citizens irrespective of caste or creed. Our object should be peace within and peace without. We want to live peacefully and maintain cordial, friendly relations with our immediate neighbors and with the world at large. We have no aggressive design against anybody. We stand by the United Nations Charter and will gladly make our full contribution to peace and prosperity of the world. This day marks the end of a pregnant phase in our national history, and it should also be the beginning of a new and a noble era. Let us impress the minorities by our word, deed and thought that as long as they fulfill their duties and obligations as loyal citizens of Pakistan, they have nothing to fear. To the states beyond our borders, we send our greetings and assure them that Pakistan will extend to them its most friendly cooperation in preserving peace. We have no ambition beyond the desire to live honorably and let others live honorably. Let me tell you, fellow citizens, Pakistan is a land of great potential resources, but to build it up into a country worthy of the Muslim nation, which will require every ounce of energy that we possess. And I'm confident that it will come from all wholeheartedly. Pakistan Zindabad.